sleep in.
Look at going to set up the contractor. Track is very wide and very fast, and because the wide range of power.
again as I wanted to, but the car did great. I only broke the shifter off in my first tandem run, and then I blew the rest of the tires off and blew the back bumper off, so it was a good time. Colton had a good time. I don't think that the Z had a good time. This thing's, it's okay, it's not horrible. It's doing pretty good actually. So now we got 2.5 hours till we get home. Yay. Day after drift event. Didn't video a whole bunch, not as much as I'd planned on, but it was kind of chaotic as expected. And there's no excuse, I guess. Just didn't video as much as I thought I was going to. I ended up finishing the tires off and blowing a hole in my bumper. But not mad. 'Tis the purpose behind the Z. Shows you how much driving I did. I only went through one set of tires, which I used a little different tire than the last time, and they actually held up really well. They were pretty hard tire. They were kind of slick, but I actually really liked them. But proud of the dually, proud of the Z. A couple things I need to fix before the next drift event, which is August 25th and 26th. It'll be at a different track. Eli come just now and picked up his car. He is going to that one no matter what. Alex did really good. He learned a lot, learned the car, started to kind of mess with stuff. I spent a lot of the day trying to figure the Z out. Ended up putting the rear wheels on the front for a little wider stance. I couldn't get it to grip in the front at all for the first half of the day, and then they had the competition, which lasted a few hours, and then I let my buddy that I went and visited in Texas drive the car a little bit. So there just wasn't a ton of drive time, and that's kind of the reason I didn't record much. I left some of my GoPro stuff here at the shop, so I couldn't bolt the GoPro on the car like I wanted to. Got to do my first tandem run, which sucked. My shifter ended up breaking as soon as I left the gate, and it kind of threw me off, and I couldn't get it into gear right, and I was leading, and I made a terrible line. So next time, my plan is to be able to go tandem with some of these guys. I ended up doing pretty well by the end of the day. The first half of the day was not good. So that's it for this one. Like, share, subscribe. I promise next drift event I'll get more footage. Hope you enjoy everything that I managed to get this time. Thanks for watching. See ya.